Today in maths we're going to be doing a little bit of work on sets. Now a set is a collection of objects and there must be more than one object in a set. For example, in front of you we've got a set of fruit or pieces of fruit. With this task today we're going to be working on the skill of reasoning. So I'm going to show you pictures of a collection of objects, a set of objects, and one object does not belong in the set. And what I need your children to do is explain which object doesn't belong and give me a very good reason why, or explain very well why the object does not belong. Here is a set. Can you explain to me which object does not belong and give me a good reason? Now, one of your answers could be the egg doesn't belong because it's not a fruit, or I will also accept the answer the banana doesn't belong because it's a different shape to all the others, that it's not a sphere, it is long. So I will also take that answer. Which object does not belong in this set? And give a clear reason why. What I would have said is the marker does not belong to this set because everything else is a piece of cutlery, or you can eat with all the others. Which is the odd one out here? Remember, if your child picks something that you don't think is the right answer, as long as they can give a good reason, they can give a reason for their answer, that's okay. Which object does not belong in this set? And give your reason. This may be a little bit more tricky, but again, if your child can give a good reason for their answer, that's okay. What you could take for the answer here is it's the middle container as the odd one out because it's not a cylinder shape. The children don't have to say the cylinder shape. This is quite an easy one. There could be two answers. Either answer accepted. We're working on the skill of reasoning. So if they can give a reason for their answer. Which is the odd one out here? Now look carefully, which is the odd one out here? Could be two answers. You could say that the 6 at the end is the odd one out because the others all add up to 10. Or you could say that the 6 and the 4 are the odd one out because all the rest are one colour. Again, there could be two answers to which one doesn't belong here. As long as your child can give a reason for their answer, that's the skill we're working on, reasoning. You could say the number 4 is the odd one out because it's not a shape. You could also say the circle is the odd one out because it doesn't have any straight lines. Look around your house and see, could you make 3 sets? And then could you put something that doesn't belong in the set in and check, does your grown up know which one doesn't belong? Remember, you have to accept the answer if they can give a good reason. So it might not be the reason that you're thinking of, but if your child or if your grown up can explain, you accept that reason. Look at this set of objects, this is your challenge, and see how many different ways could you sort this set. Remember, if you can give a reason, that's okay. There are quite a few different ways. I'll let you know tomorrow how you could have sorted this set out, or maybe if you pause, I'll do it in the next slide. This is the answer that I was thinking of, although there are other answers. So can you see why I put all those objects on the left-hand side and all those objects on the right-hand side? This is an activity we would have done at school, but can you figure out why I've sorted them this way? This is usually a very hard challenge and people don't guess why, but have a try and I'll let you know tomorrow what the answer is.